adventures are out there. Are you ready for the show? From national parks to hidden gems, there's so much more to know.
Queen Wilhelmina State Park is located in Mena, Arkansas. That's in the western part of the state, and for reference, it's about 2 hours west of Hot Springs. We were on a road trip heading back home, but we came from Oklahoma via the Talamina National Scenic Byway, which was our last video, so make sure you check out that one if you haven't already. It's a beautiful area. This 460-acre state park is free to enter and sits on top of Arkansas's second highest peak, Rich Mountain, which is around 2,680 feet high. You get beautiful views of the surrounding hill country, and even though this park is small, it's surrounded by the Ouachita National Forest. The original lodge that was built here was built back in the late 1800s as a Victorian resort named Wilhelmina Inn to honor the young queen of the Netherlands. 3 buildings later is today's Park Lodge, which is a 40-room lodge open year-round and has a restaurant serving Southern cuisine. We stayed here for the night, and here is a glimpse at our room. They also offer 41 campsites, 8 Class A, 27 Class B, 5 tent sites with water, and 1 hike-in campsite. Something special this park has is a miniature train ride over at the Mountain Glory Station. They have concession, a store, they also have miniature golf, but the miniature train ride is what we were looking forward to the most, and the fee is up on the screen for you to see. And as a quick note, this area is only open from Memorial Day till Labor Day. The whole family really enjoyed this miniature train ride. You can also walk up and look at the steam engine from the 1920s. It's been at the state park since 1963 for all to enjoy. Riding on an actual steam engine train is on our bucket list. We think it would be so cool. If you visit this park, you should also visit the Wonder House that is in this park. It was built by Carlos Hill in the 1930s, and it has 9 levels, but it only looks like it's a normal 2-story house from the outside. It's very interesting looking, and I think you can do tours here, but you have to have a guide, so you just need to check with the park office inside the lodge to schedule that. We weren't able to go in. I wish we could have. These little rabbits were the only wildlife we saw here, but I have read that they do have deer and black bears, so be aware. Right behind the Wonder House, there is an amphitheater you can see, and you can get right on the Spring Trail, which is just a half-mile trail. They have about 3 miles of trails in the park, but you can also get on the OT, or the Washita National Hiking Trail, which that trail starts in Little Rock, Arkansas, and takes you to over 200 miles into eastern Oklahoma. And you can walk a part of it here at Queen Wilhelmina State Park. We really enjoyed the state park. We definitely want to come back and do more hikes. It's such a beautiful area. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And until next time, adventures are out there. Are you? Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.
Come join us on this ride, from the Grand Canyon's majesty to the mountains high. With every mile we travel, in the beauty we will find. God's creations all around, so wondrous and so kind.